Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 21st September 2025. Title of Murli. A soul who is full of godly attainments is the holiest, the highest and the richest. Bap Dada said, on the forehead of every child 3 special attainments are visible, the holiest, the highest, and the richest. Holiest signifies purity, not only celibacy, but purity in thoughts, words, actions, relationships, and connections. Even in dreams, no trace of impurity should touch the mind or the intellect. Baba further said, you Brahman souls become not only the holiest but also the highest. In the beginning, in the supreme abode, you remain the highest, constantly in the company of the Father. In the middle, you become worship-worthy souls. Thirdly, you also become the richest. Others may be the richest in the world, but you elevated souls are the richest of the entire cycle, because the imperishable treasures you receive at the confluence age last for many births. Baba then explained the method of accumulating these imperishable treasures. Apply the Bindu dot. First, I, the soul, am a Bindu point. Second, the Father is also a Bindu. And third, whatever has passed in the drama is a full stop, also a Bindu. Finally, while explaining the simple method for constant remembrance, Baba said, whenever you use the words I and mine, add at that time, I am a soul and Baba is mine. Blessing for today. May you become a powerful form of a conqueror of attachment with your sweet silent stage of being merged in love. Details are: you have a body, relations and sanskars of that body, and there are people and possessions, the atmosphere and vibrations, but you must not let any of them attract you. People may be crying out, but you just have to remain unshakable. No matter how much matter and Maya come to play their final game and pull you to themselves, just remain absorbed in the stage of love, of being detached and loving to the Father. This is known as seeing but not seeing, hearing but not hearing. This is the sweet silent stage of being merged in love. When you create such a stage, you will then be called a soul who is blessed with having a powerful form of a conqueror of attachment. Slogan is, be a holy swan and put aside the pebbles and stones of defects and continue to pick up pearls of goodness. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. Now ignite the fire of love and make your yoga volcanic. In order to become the volcanic form, always remember that you now have to return home. To go back means to remain beyond. Since you have to go back to your incorporeal home, you have to make your costume according to that. So, you have to return and take others back. By having this awareness, you will automatically go beyond all relationships and all the attractions of matter, that is, you will become a detached observer. By being a detached observer, you will easily become a companion of the Father and equal to the Father.